Good afternoon again, and thank you so much for gathering here with us to discuss a very special project. It is the conservation of the head of the large Buddha from Merv. And before we may be able to show you the real artifact, we have a diorama here, a hypothetical reconstruction of a stupa at a Buddhist monastery in Merv, dating to the 5th century CE. This area was part of the large urban center of Merv, located on the Silk Road. As you all know, a tremendously wealthy, cosmopolitan city in which many religions flourished: Christianity, Zoroastrianism, Judaism, and Buddhism, which is very important because it is the most Western location of a Buddhist monastery on the Silk Road. The site was excavated in the 1960s by Michael Masson. During the excavation, a large head of Buddha was discovered, 75 centimeters tall, so this big. The sculpture was originally shaped from clay, unbaked clay, sculpted in layers and layers, painted, as you can see here. The monastery suffered destruction in ancient times, and from the literature we are informed that apparently the Buddhist monks safeguarded the head by putting it near the stairs, and so during the excavation only the head was found, not the sculpture. Okay.
I'm Giuseppe Salemi from Padua University in Italy. Presently, I teach 3D survey methods and techniques about archaeology. So it's a great pleasure and honor as well for me to be here. This is my second mission in Ashgabat about this project. Previously, and at the same time, I'm working at different projects in Uzbekistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, about Silk Road and many other different projects. In this framework, my field of application is about new 3D technologies. I mean photogrammetry, laser scanning, structured light, as well as 3D printing. So we are using, at different stage, we are using this kind of technology to better understand, to better see each fine detail about these artifacts.
I'm an Italian conservator. I'm working for Getty Museum and US State Department. My experience in Central Asia started 22 years ago in Afghanistan. I'm active still there. In Pakistan, I'm running other 3 projects for the State Department. It's a big honor for me to take part of this project. This is my second mission here, and we plan to have 2 more missions in the future to complete the projects. I'm quite positive about the final result of these projects, and hopefully we will obtain a beautiful final exhibition for these museums and for the countries. Also, I hope that some students from Turkmenistan will be involved during the next missions with us. Thank you.